Okay, here's how to lower your electric bill considerably if you have mini split AC units. All you need is a toilet bowl scrubber. You're going to cut that off. Hi, Hattie.
What are you doing?
You're going to cut that off and you're going to attach it to your drill. You're going to take this configuration and then you're going to head over to your mini split AC. As you can see over time, even though the filter might be clean, it gets caked up with dust. You're going to want to rip out all the parts that get in the way, and then you're going to jam your drill in there and start spinning. If you spin at an angle, you will make the fan blades move. As the fan blades move, the dust that was caked off starts to leave. Sorry, it's hard to do this one-handed. Okay, let's see what came out. Mmm, yummy. That is not just my terrazzo floor. That is a lot of dust and blockage. Now the AC is cleaned out, you'll find that the vent will probably put out air twice as fast, cooling your room much quicker and saving you money. Good luck.